Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add your location to your task on the TickTick application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Log in by using your Touch ID or passcode that you have set to your account. Now click on the second option down below, which is the calendar icon, and click on one of the tasks to which you would like to add your location. Click on the three dots icon in the upper right corner of the screen, tap on location, tap on set now. You will be directed to your phone settings where you need to allow TickTick to access your location. Tap on S next time while using the app or always. Now if you go back, you will be able to add your location. Here it is located. You can also select this location reminder, leaving or arriving, and then press the button save. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.